Hello friends, so today I'll be reviewing these products from the brand Innisfree, which is a Korean brand, and this brand is free from any cruelty or any mineral oils or any chemicals. So, and they provide natural products. So I think I wanted to try it, and since it is Korean, I was definitely attracted towards the products. So there was a recent sale going on Nika, the hot pink sale, and I ordered these in a combo. I got it in a discount of 40%. So I think if you can get it too, then it is a very great deal. So I've been using these products for like 15-20 days now, and I thought of reviewing it for you guys. So let's begin. The first one here is the green Innisfree green tea morning cleanser. This has double squeezed green tea from the Jeju Island. So green tea, this face wash is a morning cleanser, which means that it will not rip off the natural oil that come in your face. So it is a mild cleanser. It is definitely a very mild cleanser, like the mildest one that I've used till date, and it just will give you a very healthy finish and won't rip off any natural oils from your face. So it will just work on the surface and not get into the pores. So it is that kind of a product that you can use every day in the morning. Okay, so that is it. And if I talk about the packaging is quite sturdy, and you get for a price of 770 rupees, you get a net volume of 150 ml. So I think that is quite reasonable, and since I got it on discount, then it is again a very nice deal. So now let me show you the product. The product comes out very easily. If you see, then it is a very transparent and runny face wash, and a very mild one. So it won't lather at all. So when you apply it on your face, it will almost feel like you're using any aloe vera gel or anything of that sort. So it is transparent, and it won't lather up. So it won't give you a very dry finish. Like most face washes leave your skin very dry and tight, but it won't do that. And plus it has green tea. So green tea is a very nice antioxidant for skin, because it tightens the pores, and especially for the ones who has like big pores or open pores, I think you can definitely try this product out. And if you can see, then it is very mild product, so it won't give that harsh dry finish. Rather, it will leave a very healthy layer on your skin, healthy natural layer on your skin, and your skin will feel very fresh and clean. So I think overall you can definitely try this out. And if you are someone who has dry skin like me, then this face wash will definitely give very good results. But if you are oily skin person, then I don't think I will recommend it to you, because it will not clean the oily excess oil on your skin. So for dry skin people, please do check this out, guys. Now after using this face wash, I use this product, which is the Innisfree aloe vera revital soothing gel, which retails for around 700 rupees. I'll link down the exact price, because since it came in combo, I do not have the MRP here. The net volume is 300 ml. So if you see, this is quite a heavy tub for the price, and I am quite happy with the quantity that I got. This aloe vera gel is pesticides free aloe from Jeju. So this entire range focuses on this Jeju Island, and this is again a pesticide free product, so I'm very happy with that too. Now talking about the product and the packaging, this is a very sturdy big bottle. You cannot travel with it definitely, because it is quite huge. You will have to put it in a small tub or so. So let me show you the product out. Now if you can see, this was not that runny. It is almost like normal aloe vera gel that you get anywhere, and it will feel like magic, guys. It is so soothing on the skin, and instantly will give you a refreshing fresh feel. So when I apply it after using the face wash, in the early morning, it gives a very healthy fresh finish. So but since I'm dry skin, I have to layer it up with another moisturizer, so the moisture content will not be as moisturizing as the normal moisturizers that you use. So it is just an additional step that I've added after my toner. So I'm not substituting it for any moisturizer. I've just used it additionally, okay? But if you are oily skin, then I think you can substitute it for any moisturizer for your day use, daily use. And if you see, it will get absorbed into skin within 10 to 15 seconds, and you won't have to wait longer. This aloe vera gel is very, multi-purpose. You can use it for various purposes. So I use it on my hair also, from roots to scalp. So it gives a very healthy bouncy finish in my hair too. And plus, another use that I would like to show you guys of this aloe vera gel is using it as a night gel. Yes, so I made a night gel using this aloe vera gel, and I've stored it in a lip balm tub, or you can store it in any tub. So if you see, I have made a turmeric night gel using this aloe vera gel. So what I did was, I just mixed up a bit of this aloe vera gel with some turmeric, and I added an essential oil which is from the brand Face Shop, that is a tea tree oil. If you don't have this tea tree oil, you can add up any essential oil, or just skip this part. You can just add this aloe vera with some turmeric and you're good to go. So using this as a night gel will repair your skin overnight and give you a healthy glow in the morning. So I have been personally using it like that and been seeing great results in my skin. If I just show you the night gel, it leaves a yellow stain since it has turmeric, and turmeric in itself is a very nice antioxidant. So that was just a quick hack for you guys that you can do using any aloe vera gel, not just this brand. If you have this, then you definitely, I just store it in fridge for like 15 to 20 days, and once it is over, I just remake it. So that is just quick hack for you guys. Now coming down to the products, these two products that I just reviewed for you guys, I think if you get it on discount, I think you can definitely try it. Even if you do not, then please do try this aloe vera gel. It is very multi-purpose, and you are not going to regret buying any of these products. Now I also brought a few more products from the Nykaa sale. Let me just show you. This is a Dot & Key hyaluronic acid concentrate. I'm going to review it in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And this is a kajal, which again I'm going to review, and two nail paints from the brand Faces Canada. This shade I'm already applying on my nails, and the quality of these nail paints are very good. The other one is a bright red color, which I'm loving. So if you want to see more reviews of such products, then please stay tuned, and please do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video, and have a great day, guys. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment on the video. I'll be more than happy. Thank you so much.